For the few people that haven't heard of Zabuni, if I'm a fitness instructor, if I'm thinking to launch a business out of my villa, I've been thinking about it during COVID, how could Zabuni immediately help someone like that, so everyone can just get a picture of what you guys are doing?
Sure. Zabuni is a mobile app. You download it as a business owner, or what we'll call a merchant. It enables you to create an e-store, add your products and services, get activated from someone on our team, and then you can start selling. And you start selling directly to your customer. You send checkout cards via WhatsApp. Your customer does not need the app or need to download anything. They'll open a card on WhatsApp, and it enables them to do a checkout. They can pay by Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay. We've embedded all of those things into the platform already. So it's a plug-and-play solution for any small business owner. Just download the app, and one of our agents will get in touch with you and walk you through everything.
Join the conversation
on Dubai Eye 103.8.